believe that these people here complain about the things that they complain about. Are you serious? Are you serious? The food is nasty. Are you serious? Are you serious? The food is nasty. You are about to get $3,000 and you complain that the food is nasty. Are you kidding me? Are you people? The mashed potatoes didn't taste good. Yo, I love the mashed potatoes at PPD. The chicken was nasty. Yo, I love the chicken at PPD. That's $3,000 chicken. I'm getting a $3,000 check at the end of eating that chicken. So I love that chicken. You heard me? Okay, I'm going to shut up now. That's it. I'm done. I'll probably talk about this again. But people, come on. Come on. Don't complain. Why are you complaining? Why? Not necessary. Stop.
Party tonight, what you gon' do? CO12, put it on for you. Party tonight, what you gon' do? CO12, put it on for you.